Uy, uy, uy. Teka. Naghahanap ka pa rin ba ng auto? Eto, sigurado, kahit tumanda ka na, etong mga to, tumatakbo pa.
Oh, tingnan mo tong 2017 Toyota Fortuner V 4x2 automatic, 44,000 mileage, number coding every Wednesday. Naka 2.4 liter diesel engine. Maayos ang interior, naka leather seats at touchscreen head unit.
Ganda, no?
Sunod, 2018 Toyota Fortuner V 4x2 automatic, 61,000 mileage, number coding every Thursday. Naka 2.4 liter diesel engine. Maayos din ang interior, naka touchscreen head unit at leather seats.
Sariwa, diba?
Pangatlo, 2020 Toyota Innova E automatic, 34,000 mileage, number coding every Tuesday. Naka 2.4 liter diesel engine. Kompleto at maayos ang interior.
Kung tibay at tibay lang, wala kang masasabi dito.
And last, 2021 Toyota Hiace Commuter Deluxe, 63,000 mileage, number coding every Tuesday. Naka 2.8 liter diesel engine. Kompleto at maayos din ang interior.
Ang luwag!
15-seater van at naka leather seats.
Oh, uwi mo na to. Message mo ko.